Let's just take a really quick first look at the Deity W.Lav Micro. Now, I heard this microphone last year at NAB and it kind of blew my mind. I have at least 15 or 20 lapel lav mics that I am unhappy with, and I was really excited about this product. I have the W.Lav Micro, I have the W.Lav Pro. I'm going to be covering both of those, and I've been waiting for these to do the follow-on to the Deity HD-TX video that I did earlier in the year, which is also awesome. If you just recently watched Deity's announcements, they're mind-blowing. I don't know how I'm going to catch up with videos on this, but for right now, I just wanted to test the W.Lav Micro to see what it sounds like, and I'm excited. Even my little friend over here is seriously excited about this microphone. Now, I am not doing anything special. I just wanted to slap the mic on here. I don't have it embedded in my chest. I don't have the foam wind cover on. I'm not doing anything fancy. Sound aficionados will probably hammer me on how I mismounted the mic and I could have put it upside down and I could have put it to my chest. That's not what I wanted to do. All I wanted to do is, for the layman, if I grab a lapel mic and I mount it right here and I listen to it, is it going to sound good? Now, the way I test all my mics is I run it through my Mix Pre 3. The reason is because everything in the Mix Pre 3 and the amps and everything else are just really clean, and I can always tell what the mic is like in comparison to all my other mics. This thing is seriously clean. The settings I have set up for the W.Lav are as follows in the Mix Pre 3. I've set the gain to 40 dB. That's just about right. I may have to adjust that a little bit. And the fader is currently set at 0. And I'm running the lapel mic right now corded directly into the Mix Pre 3. I've just recorded a mono track for right now, and I've normalized the audio to -19 LUFS. I always do that on all my videos, and it makes sure you aren't diving for the volume knob because it's really loud, and it makes sure you also don't have to turn it way up so you can hear me and then go to the next video and dive for the volume knob. The other thing I should show you what I do for my videos is I like to add a little compression and depth. On every single video I do, I have a process. Because I use the Mix Pre 3, because I use really good shotgun mics or a dynamic mic when I'm live streaming, and now an awesome lapel mic, I do this. I go through and move the audio into Audition. I add a multi-band compressor just to add some depth to my voice, and I set it to -3 dB as a limit. That's why I invested in good audio equipment, because I don't have to mess around with my audio. In the main studio, boomed over me when I'm in there filming, I use either a Rode NTG3 or the Deity S-Mic 2S. I have 2 Mix Pre 3 recorders, one in the studio, one here that I'm using right now. I have a Shure SM7B for my live podcast when I'm sitting there and want to eat a microphone. And now, in the addition to my arsenal, is the W.Lav Micro. And I think it just sounds fantastic. Just let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm going to do a full review on this one. I'm going to do a full review on the W.Lav Pro. And I'm going to go through and show you all the specs. I'm going to show you all the mountings under the shirt, on the chest, upside down, and everything else. But for now, I just wanted to get out this video and tell you this lapel, it frickin' rocks. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you real soon. And that's the thing about a lav mic, is I can turn around and it doesn't matter. I'm not depending on some microphone over there, and I can talk to my Cylon. Hey, dude.